Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to walk through a very common and essential task for any website owner, creating a new FTP account directly within your Godaddy Cpanel hosting. This is incredibly useful if you need to give a developer, a designer, or a team member access to your website's files without giving them your main cPanel login details. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your main Godaddy account. Once you are successfully logged in, find your way to the My Products page, which lists all the services you have with Godaddy. In this list, locate your web hosting plan. It will likely say cPanel hosting next to it. To the right of that plan, click the Manage button. Clicking this will launch you into your cPanel dashboard, which is the primary control center for your hosting account. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see many icons and sections. You need to look for the section titled Files. Inside this Files section, you will see an icon for FTP accounts. Go ahead and click on the icon to open the FTP management page. At the very top of this new page, you will see a form box labeled Add FTP account. This is where we'll set up the new user. In the login field, simply type the username you want to create, such as webdev or client files. You will notice that cPanel automatically appends the @ symbol and your primary domain name, creating the full username like webdev@yourdomain.com. Next, if you host multiple websites, use the domain drop-down to select the correct domain for this FTP account. Now, we come to the password. It is crucial for security that you create a very strong password. You can type your own, or I highly recommend using the password generator button right next to the field. This tool will create a very strong, random password for you. Just make sure you copy this password and save it in a secure location before moving on. The next field, Directory, is perhaps the most important setting for security. This path determines which folders the new user can access. If you leave this blank, the user will have access to their own home directory, which often includes your entire website structure. For better security, you should always specify a folder to restrict access. For example, if you only want them to upload images, you could type public_HTML/images. This confines them to only the images folder, protecting the rest of your site's files. Below this, you have the quota option. This lets you set a limit on how much disk space this FTP user can consume. You can set a specific number in megabytes, MB, or simply select unlimited. Once you have filled in all these details, take a moment to review them and then click the blue Create FTP Account button. The page will reload, and if you scroll down, you will now see your newly created account listed in the FTP Accounts table. From here, you can also change the password, quota, or even delete the account later. That's it, you've successfully created a new FTP account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this detailed walkthrough was clear and helpful for you. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward web hosting guides and tech tips. We appreciate your support and hope to see you in the next video.